Yo, what's going on everyone? Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, your favorite reactor from New York, Josh Diron. Thank you so much for coming by. Salamat datang kembali ke saluran saya. Terima kasih. On today's reaction video, guys, we are back with the third gala show of X Factor Indonesia 2021 with Putu MAYDEA. Okay guys, this is the latest performance of Putu MAYDEA on the third gala show of X Factor Indonesia. And I've been reading a lot of reviews about her performance on this one, and all of her fans were saying that Putu MAYDEA is really proving herself, to be the strongest contender for this season. So guys, today we will be reacting on that performance of Putu MAYDEA, and the title of this one is Team, originally done by Lorde. So guys, without further ado, let's go to this reaction. MAYDEA.
Wait till you're in
I love that voice.
We've not yet lost all our graces. The harvest and
That one is good.
Look upon your greatness and shall send the call.
Oh, that runs is really strong, guys. She's so pretty. Oh, the song is really familiar for me now.
100 choose between two. Now bring my boys in the skin and craters like the moon. The moon will love like a bride.
And she's got a big moon on the backdrop of the stage.
Dancing around big eyes as well. Even the comatose died on dancing down. We live in cities you never see.
That falsetto is good. I know that.
I'm gonna forgetting to throw my hands up in the air. So dire.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna older than I was. The worry filled without a care. So there we live in cities.
Oh, very nice. Okay, that was so strong. That part. So far I'm liking the performance of Putu MAYDEA on this one. Very soft on the first part of the song, but the latter part in the beginning, and also in the middle part of the song, she's really, putting so much strength on the song and on her voice. Guys, I'm so happy for Putu MAYDEA because she's very consistent ever since, from the beginning up to, up to this performance of Putu MAYDEA. And you can see that Putu MAYDEA is really comfortable now, performing, especially on the gala show. Guys, let's go back. Oh, wow. Putu MAYDEA. Okay, your coach, your judges are happy with that. The song is very simple, but the way she handled this, so cool, guys. Oh yeah, that was Putu MAYDEA team, originally done by Lorde. And the judges are really happy with that. Woo! Yeah. Whew. Wow, guys, I'm gonna give a big wow factor to Puro Media on that performance of Team Original done by Lorde. So, guys, let's go to the big points that I wanna tell you on that performance of Puro Media. First, guys, I like the looks of Puro Media. Kudos again to the stylist. She looks so gorgeous. She's so beautiful on this performance. And the second, guys, I'm so happy for Puro Media because she's really consistent, with regards to her voice, with regards to her technique, and that unique voice of Puro Media, sets her apart among the rest of the singers from X Factor Indonesia. And the third, guys, the confidence of Puro Media, you can see it all over her, and at the same time, of course, guys, she's really comfortable, performing now, in front of the judges and on this gala show of X Factor Indonesia. So, guys, what can you say about that performance of Puro Media? I want to hear from you, okay? Leave your comments, your suggestions, or any opinion about this music video. So, guys, I hope you enjoy this reaction video. And if you want me to react on other videos, like your favorite artists or singers, leave your comments down below or message me. And who knows, your request may be in my next video. So, guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day and God bless. See you on my next video. Yeah.